Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to my lovely student. How are you all? I hope you are all well at home. So, welcome back again to my mathematics class, class 1, chapter 4, subtraction, part 2. So, students, today I will start in this video your second part, right? So, let's see, students. So, now chapter number 4, subtraction. Till now we have complete page number 63 in your textbook. Now next page, which is your page number 64, right? On the 64, what it is given, students? Here subtraction concept is there. Again we have to do the subtraction. So on the subtraction, here students, you can see in a group of there are 1, 2 and 3 cows. Total कितनी cows है? 3. तो यहाँ पे 3 mention है, right? Now from these 3 cows, 1 cow gone away, left away. एक cow यहाँ से चली गई group में से. So here 1 cow minus, subtract. So from the total 3 cows, if 1 we will subtract, यानी ये 1 हमारी cut हो गई. Now how many cows remaining, students? 1 and 2. How many? 2. So here is given answer 2. So 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Understood everyone? Then next one. Now this one we have to solve it by own self. So first of all we have to count the total number of books. हाथ में जितनी बुक्स है वो भी और ये वाली बुक्स सभी आपको काउंट करनी है टोटल. सो आई एम काउंटिंग एंड यू हैव टू ऑल्सो काउंट विथ मी. कम ऑन एवरीवन. सो हाउ मेनी? 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6 and 7. How many books, students? 7. So here total we found 7. So here you have to mention 7. Right? Now from this 7, this 1, 2 and 3 books take away. यानी टोटल हमारे पास 7 बुक्स थी, उसमें से ये 1, 2 and 3 बुक्स को हमने ले लिया. नाउ हाउ मेनी रिमेनिंग? सो 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many remaining? 4. So that means 7 minus 3 is equals to 4. Understood? Next. Now next here, tomatoes. स्टूडेंट्स इन इट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, ये सर्कल जो ग्रुप्स किया हुआ है ना, उसमें जितने भी नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स हो, चाहे उसको डिफ्रेंशिएट या ऐसे सेपरेट किया हो, टोटल आपको फाइंड आउट करके ये फर्स्ट वाले बॉक्स में लिखना है. फिर वो जो चीज़ साइड की है वो काउंट करने हैं, उतने हमें टोटल में से माइनस करना है. राइट? जो चीज़ हमें ऐसे साइड करके दिया है ना, उतने हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. और यहाँ पे जो सेपरेट दिया है वो हमारा आंसर है. Right? So here tomatoes given, and can you found any tomatoes in hand? No. So first of all we will found the total how many tomatoes in this circle in the group. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How many tomatoes? 4. So here you have to mention 4. Right? Then on the hand, can you found any tomatoes in the hand? हाथ, अब जो हैंड है उसके अंदर एक भी टोमेटो आपको दिख रहा है स्टूडेंट्स? नो. व्हेन वी फाउंड समथिंग एम्प्टी, नथिंग, जब कुछ भी नहीं होता है, एम्प्टी होता है, सो इसका मतलब क्या होता है? सो दैट मीन्स 0. राइट? सो 0. सो टोटल 4 टोमेटोज थे, उसमें से हमने एक भी नहीं लिया, यानी 0 टोमेटोज लिए. सो हाउ मेनी लेफ्ट? अब लिया ही नहीं कुछ, तो जैसे टोमेटो वैसे ही रहेंगे ना. सो 4 minus 0 is equals to 4. Understood? Let's see next one. Here the rails given. You have to count the total number of rails. Right? So how many rails? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many rails, students? 5. So here you have to mention 5. Now from the 5 rails, how many rails taken away students? कितने rails को ले लिया हमने? So 1 and 2. How many? 2. So here 2, right? So total 5 rails. From the 5, 2 rails we take away. How many still remaining? So 1, 2 and 3. How many rails? 3. So here your answer 3. So that understood everyone? Page number 64. Next page number 65. 65 page also given the subtraction. यहाँ पे हमें आप देख सकते हो in the both the ways subtraction given, right? दोनों ways में हमें दिया है. And here the calculation also given, right? So students, while we are doing addition, जब हम लोग addition करते थे तो हम क्या करते थे, जो भी दो numbers दिए हैं वो दोनों numbers of circles draw करते थे and उसमें total count करके answer लिखते थे, right? But subtraction में हम क्या करेंगे? So let's see with an example. Here 5 minus 4, यानी फर्स्ट कौन सा नंबर दिया है? 5. तो फर्स्ट जो नंबर आप है उसके इतने नंबर ऑफ सर्कल्स आपको ड्रॉ करने हैं. सो 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. नाउ फ्रॉम दी 5 हाउ मेनी यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट? 5 में से हमें कितने सब्ट्रैक्ट करने हैं? 4. सो टोटल हमने जो ये 5 सर्कल्स ड्रॉ किए उसमें से 4 सर्कल्स को कट करना है. लाइक दिस, सी, 1 circle cut, 2 circle, 3 circle and 4 circle. 4 माइनस करनी थी तो हमने 4 सर्कल्स को कट किया. सो आफ्टर कटिंग 4 फ्रॉम दी 5 सर्कल्स, हाउ मेनी रिमेनिंग? 5 में से हमने 4 सर्कल कट कर दिए तो अभी हमारे पास कितने सर्कल्स ऐसे बचे हैं जिसको हमने कट ही नहीं किया है? ओनली दिस वन, 1. So your answer is 1. Got it? So 5 minus 4 is equals to, next is 6 minus 2. Okay, but how many number? First one 6. 6, so we have to draw 6 circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now from 6 how many we have to subtract? 6 में से हमें कितने subtract करने हैं? 2. So we have to cut 2 circles. So here I am cutting 1 circle and 2 circle. So I have cut 2, right? Now how many remaining? So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. How many remaining? 4. So that means 6 minus 2 we get answer 4. And same here, 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. Understood everyone? And same calculation given over here. Now next is students 9 minus 5, right? So what we have to, from 9 we have to subtract 5. So for 9 we have to draw 9 circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. I have drawn 9 circles. Now from 9 how many we have to subtract students? 5. So let's cut 5 circles. 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circles, 4 circles and 5 circles, right? हमें 5 subtract करने थे तो हमने 5 circles cut किए. Now after cutting 5 how many still remaining students? So let's count 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what we get answer students? We get answer 4. So 9 minus 5 is equals to 4. Next one here, 4 minus 4 is equals to dash. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 circles for this 4, right? And how many we have to subtract? We have to subtract 4. So we have to cut 4 circles. So 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circles and the 4 circles. हमने 4 circles को cut कर दिए. Now how many remaining students? Total 4 circles. From the 4, if I subtract 4, so how many remaining? Can you found any circle? No. So nothing means 0. एक भी circle नहीं बचा ना. So that means we get answer 0. So 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. Next one here. 8 minus 3 is equals to dash. Here which number given? 8. So we have to draw 8 circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now from 8, how many we have to subtract? We have to subtract 3. So let's cut 3 circles. 1 circle, 2 circle and 3 circles. 3 minus करनी थी, हमने 3 circles को cut कर दिए. Now how many remaining students? So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many remaining? 5. So we get answer 5. So 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. So understood everyone? Page number 65. Subtraction आपको समझ में आ. On page number 66, you have to do subtract and the match. So in your left hand side and in your right hand side, subtraction sums given and in between in the circles, 1 digit numbers given. You have to solve this all the problems and whatever answer we are getting, that answer you have to match. For example, here it is given 4 minus 2 is equals to what? So if we are subtracting 2 from the 4, so we get answer 2. So here you can see with the 2 match, right? Likewise you have to solve the remaining problems. Okay, so let's start the first one. Here 7 minus 2. What it is given? 7 minus 2. So here 7, right? So I am drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now from 7, how many we have to subtract? We have to subtract 2. So I am cutting 2, 1 and 2. So 2 circle I have cut. Now how many remaining after cutting 2 students? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many remaining? 5. So 7 minus 2 we get answer 5. Now here we have to found number 5. Where is number 5 students? Here, right? So we have to match this 7 minus 2 with this 5 by putting a scale like this. आपको इसे स्केल पुट करके मैच करना है. Yes or no everyone? So like this, draw a line and match it. Next one is 9 minus 1. Which number is this? 9. So I am drawing a 9 circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, right? 9 circle I have drawn. Now from the 9, how many we have to subtract? Minus 1. So from 9 we have to cut 1 circle. So I have cut 1 circle. Now after cutting 1, after doing minus 1 from 9, how many circles still remaining students? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What we get students answer? So 9 minus 1 we get answer 8. So now here we have to search where is number 8 students? Here. So 9 minus 1 we have to match with this 8 by putting a scale like this. आपको ऐसे scale put करनी है and then you have to draw a line like this. Can you see? Question 5 minus 1. So if you are subtracting from 5 minus 1, 1 minus करेंगे 5 में से, so what we will get answer students? So 5 minus 1 we get answer 4. So where is number 4 students? Here. So we have to match this one with this 4 by putting a scale like this. Okay students? Here I have match 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. Understood everyone? Is 6 minus 3 is equals to what? Now from 6 we have to subtract 3. Right? Here which number is this? 6. So I am drawing circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So for 6 I have drawn 6 circles, right? Now from 6 how many we have to subtract? 3. So from 6 I am cutting 3 circles. So let's cut it. 1 circle, 2 circle and 3 circle. Now after minusing, after cutting 3 circle, how many still remaining students? So 1, 2, 3. How many remaining? 3. So that means 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. So where you can found number 3 students? Here, right? The first one. So by putting a scale like this, you have to match it. Understood everyone? Like this, you have to match it with the 3. As you get answer, explain kar you, don't worry. Next is 7 minus 1. Which number is this first one? 7. So I have to draw 7 circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 drawn. Now after from the 7 how many we have to subtract? We have to subtract 1. हमें 1 minus करना है. So from the 7 circles I have to cut 1 circle. After cutting 1 how many circles still remaining students? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many remaining students? 6. So that means 7 minus 1 is equals to 6. And here you got the 6. So that means you have to match this one with the 6. Yes or no? As you get answer 6. Like this. Got it? Now next one. 5 minus 0. Now here first 5. माइनस 0 यानी 5 नंबर में से 0, 0 मीन्स नथिंग. 5 नंबर में से नथिंग यानी हमें कुछ भी सब्ट्रैक्ट करना नहीं है. सो अभी कुछ भी हम सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर रहे. सो व्हाट वी गेट आंसर? सो रिमेंबर स्टूडेंट्स, फ्रॉम एनी नंबर इफ वी आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 0, सो ऑलवेज वी गेट दैट आंसर दैट सेम नंबर, है ना. जो नंबर में से हम सब्ट्रैक्ट 0 करेंगे वो सेम नंबर हमारा आंसर होगा, राइट. सो 5 minus 0 we get answer 5. So here is our 5. So you have to put a scale and like this and then draw a line. Okay students? Minus 0 is equals to 5. So here we match with the number 5. Can you see everyone clearly? Now next one this side. First question is 9 minus 5. So from the 9 how many we have to subtract? 5. Now students you can do subtraction on your fingers, right? आप fingers पे भी subtraction कर सकते हो. कैसे? I'm showing you. First how many? 9. So on your finger you have to count 9. So see here, this portion from here to here we consider 1. So 1, 2, 3. On your finger 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So here we count 9. Now from 9 how many we have to subtract? 5. कितने subtract करने हैं? 5. तो यहाँ तक हमने 9 काउंट किया। अब यहाँ से हम 5 माइनस करेंगे। सो सी 1 2 3 4 5। सो हमने यहाँ तक 5 कट कर दिए, यानी 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट हो गए। नाउ हाउ मैनी रिमेनिंग? सो लेट्स सी 1 2 3 4. How many remaining students? 4. So that means 9 minus 5 is equals to 4. So we have to match with this number 4 by putting a scale like this. Okay? Next question is 8 minus 2. So if we are doing 8 minus 2, what we will get answer, students? 8 minus 2 we get answer 6. 6. Then 7 minus 4. So here I have drawn 7 circles. From 7 I have cut 4 circles. After cutting 4, how many remaining? So 1 2 3. So 3 remaining. So that means 7 minus 4 is equals to 3. यानी 7 में से हमने 4 माइनस किया तो हमें क्या आंसर मिला? 3. So 3 here. So आपको ये वाला 3 के साथ ऐसे मैच करना है by putting a scale and draw a line like this. Understood? Now next 8 minus 0. So students, here I have already told you that if from any number if we are subtracting the 0, तो जो भी नंबर है हमें as it is आंसर मिलेगा, है ना? So here 5 minus 0, so we get answer 5. Likewise here same, from 8 we have to subtract 0, यानी 8 में से 0, यानी हमें कुछ भी subtract नहीं करना है. So what we get answer? Yes, so we get answer 8, right? So where is 8, students? Here. So here you have to put a scale like this, then draw a line and match it. Okay, students? So like this. So match this one with the 8. Now next is 5 minus 3. So here which number? 5. So I am drawing 1 2 3 4 and 5 circles. Now from 5, how many we have to subtract? We have to subtract 3. So I am cutting 3 circles. 1 circle, 2 circle and 3 circles. So I have cut 3 circles. After cutting 3, how many still remaining? 1 2. So 5 minus 3, what we get answer? We get answer 2. Where is 2, students? Here. So by putting a scale like this and draw a line and match it like this. Can you see? Let's see next. 8 minus 3. Right here which number? 8. So I have to draw 8 circle. 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So I have drawn 8 circles. Now from the 8, how many we have to subtract, students? 3. So I have to cut 3 circles. So 1 2 and 3. So I have cut 3 circles. Now after cutting 3, how many still remaining? So 1 2 3 4 and 5. What we get answer? 5, right? And where is 5, students? Here. So we have to match this with the number 5 by putting a scale like this and draw a line to match it. Come on. 7 minus 7. So 7 here. So we have to draw 7 circles, right? So here I am drawing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now from 7, how many we have to subtract? 7. So we have to cut how many circles? 7. So let's cut 7 circles. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I have cut 7 circles. Now 7 minus 7, 7 circles draw किए, 7 cut कर दिए. After cutting 7, how many circle remaining? Is there circle any remaining? कोई सर्कल बाकी है? No, we found nothing, right? Empty. So that means what? So that means we got answer 0. Okay students, so 7 minus 7 we get answer 0. And where is 0 students? Can you find? Here. So we have to match this one with the 0. So here you have to put a scale like this and draw a line and match it. So here we complete page number 66, all the matchups. We have did solve this all the subtraction sum, and whatever answer we are getting, with that answer we have matched it. Understood?